Kakauwi ko lang, kakatapos lang ng exams namin and sobrang hirap, lalo na yung math. Tapos, lalagnat pa ako. So, later, review, tapos tulog na ulit. Kasi, lalagnat na ako. And I need to make sure na makakapasok pa ako bukas kasi exams namin. Okay, so, it's dinner time and yung dinner natin is lengua and leftover sola ko from kanina. Siyempre, hindi cold kasi masakit na lamunan ko. So, I'll eat this muna and I'll be back. Hi guys! So, kakauwi ko lang and I'll be eating my lunch which is adobo and kakatapos lang ng exams namin and waiting na lang sa results and sana nakapasa ako. Kasi grabe ni-review ko doon. So yeah, I'll eat muna and I'll be back. Hi guys, so I wasn't able to go to school today kasi ang taas ng lagnat ko. So, I cook na lang oatmeal with by chewy cookie. Tapos andito ako sa tindahan namin, nagbabantay. So, I'll eat muna and I'll be back. Okay, so dumating na yung mga in-order kong swimsuit para sa swimming namin this Saturday and Sunday. So, unbox na natin! Tagal ko tong hinintay. Like, hindi ako sure kung makakadating siya in time. So, nirisk ko lang talaga. Bumili pa ako ng shades. Bumili din pala ako ng headscarf. Tapos, yun ang swimsuit. And bumili din ako ng earrings. So, wait nyo na lang yung fit check ko sa susunod na mga araw. And, try on ko muna sila. Hi guys! I might not update you guys tomorrow kasi punta kami sa dentist. And papa-x-ray ng teeth ko kasi sobrang sakit. To the point I'm crying na sa sakit. And gagawa ako ng oatmeal for me to eat kasi hindi na ako makakain ng hard foods or meat kasi sumasakit na yung teeth ko, di ko na kaya. So, yeah, I'll try to update you guys and not sure naman yun if I really can. I'll try to update you na lang guys. So, yeah. So, it's Saturday and nasa resort kami, outing. And we will check the pond. Kasi sabi nila Maymay, meron daw crocodile. And di namin alam kung totoo, but we think it's cap. But we are going to check. Ito yung pond and I don't think we got Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Maglayuin nyo na yan.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Baka naman last birthday nyo na tuloy.
Hi guys, so it's day 2 of our swimming and I'll get ready so we can go out and swim again.
Kalisod pa ako doon kagabi, puta. Buti dito mama ulo ko.
Patay ka dyan.
Guys, so we had a quick stop here at Tokyo Tokyo because my cousin wasn't able to eat lunch. So we had a quick stop here at Tokyo Tokyo and we're on our way back to Manila since we have classes tomorrow. So we have to go home. And yeah, I'll see you back in Manila. Hi guys, so we're back here in Manila and this clip will be the last clip of our vlog for this week. Bye!